Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import themes to Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that we're going to do is start a new presentation. You can either click on this plus icon if you want to add a blank presentation. Right here, you're gonna find the templates. If you want to expand the list, click on template gallery, and then you can search for any template that you like in this list, and then just click on it in order to be able to use it. So I'm gonna start a blank presentation, and as you can see, guys, this is how it looks like. From here, you can choose any theme that you like, and basically, guys, this is the list of the themes. And you can also click on import theme. If you click on it, you're going to be right here in this Google Drive menu. From here, you're going to find your recent themes. You're going to find also upload. So you can either drag the file here or click on browse and browse for the file in your PC. You can also go to my drive and then search for the file right here, or lastly in shared with me. So for example, I'm gonna go back to recent, click on here, and then click on insert, and then make sure you select the presentation that you want and click on import theme. And then the theme will be imported. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.